Hi and good morning everyone. My name is SITI NAJWA binti HASAN with matrix number D2019-1088661. Today I will do experiment 1, rate of respiration. The objective of this experiment is to identify the effect of water temperature on the respiration rate of a fish. Respiration is a process in living organisms involving exchange of gases oxygen and carbon dioxide during exhalation and inhalation. Organisms are differently adapted, so gas exchange can take place whether it be in water or on land. Through the process of respiration, oxygen in particular is required to transform organic molecules into energy. Fish use their gills to obtain oxygen from the water. The gills work very similarly to lungs in that they extract oxygen and release waste products, which is carbon dioxide. The gills have an extensive capillary network that directly exchange gases with water flowing over the gills. Fish breathe by taking water in through the mouth and forcing it over the gills when the mouth closes. The operculum or gill cover opens and allows the carbon dioxide-rich water to exit. Goldfish are aquatic ectotherms. Ectotherms rely on the environment and their own behavior to maintain and control their body temperature. By manipulating the water temperature, we were able to observe the change in the respiration rate of the goldfish by counting the number of times the operculum contracts. The hypothesis for this experiment is if water temperature decreases, the respiratory rate of the fish decreases. The materials are 2 beakers, 300 ml of tap water, 300 ml of cold water, and 2 small fish. Let's fill a beaker with 300 ml of tap water and place a fish in the beaker. Next, observe and record the number of breaths every minute. Third, repeat step 1 and 2 using 300 ml of water from fridge. Temperature will affect the respiration rate of the goldfish. Based on the experiment, when use normal water, normal temperature, the estimate rate of respiration per minute is 85, whereas when use cold water, low temperature, the estimate rate of respiration per minute is 46. Rate of respiration decrease when the temperature decrease. Goldfish are ectotherms. Since fish are cold-blooded, low water temperature decrease the goldfish metabolism, so the respiratory rate is low or decrease. When temperature increase, rate of respiration increase as well, because higher surrounding temperature increase their metabolism. As a result, the fish must breathe faster to keep up with the rate of the fish metabolism. Besides temperature, concentration of oxygen is another factor that could affect the rate of respiration in fish. There is less oxygen in warmer water. This also causes the fish to breathe faster in order to take up more oxygen to make up for the small amount it can take in with each breath. In cold water, there are more oxygen than warm or hot water, so the respiratory rate is low or decreased. The fish react to the water change in this way because cold water temperature causes water molecules to come closer together and trap dissolved oxygen. There is more dissolved oxygen in colder water, and in turn, the fish do not need to breathe as much. If the oxygen concentration in the water is high, their breathing will decrease so that they do not take in toxic amounts of oxygen. If the concentration of oxygen in the water is low, their breathing will increase to obtain the necessary amounts. In conclusion, the decrease in temperature of water will decrease the respiratory rate of fish accordingly due to low metabolic demand.